for this bike. This bro is trying to do wheelies in the rain.
My bike.
Huh?
I will get off my bike.
Oh, you make me drop my bike on yours. What's up, guys? It's Stickers, back with another video. We are on our, I think, official last group ride with this bike, and it is a good one. We don't know how much we're gonna go ride, eat. We went to an event right now, but with this rain, we're like, nah, not doing it. But this is gonna be our last group ride, and we got two insane bikes: a 2025 S1k and a 2025 R1. Two of the newest bikes that with a decent change. Well, actually no, the R1 didn't get much of a change. It just got the carbon side fins and it got the Brembo front brake. One thing that Yamaha did that I think is so stupid that they went cheap on, they gave you the Brembo front, but they did not give you the Brembo rear. Like, they cheaped out on half of the braking system. Super stupid. I don't know why they would do that, but they did. They both are going to sound good. It looks like Steve has a full system on his bike, which is super cool, and he already has a ton of carbon on it. Like I said, I don't know if he's had that bike, well, 2025, and we are in, what are we in? January, February, March, April, May 5th, May 3rd? I don't know, it just became May, and those bikes came out beginning of this year, and for him to already have it and have all full titanium exhaust, and all the carbon, yeah, he has a lot of cool mods for a brand new bike, which is pretty sick. Hopefully the video quality is pretty good for you guys, because since it is still sprinkling, ooh, I feel it dancing a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We changed all of our settings. We turned traction. Turn traction control all the way up and put the bike, instead of in track, we put it in sport, which sport is the lowest mode for this bike. This bro is trying to do wheelies in the rain. All you're gonna do is spin that rear tire. These guys are trying to race right now in the rain. Oh, all Steve is doing is just blowing off that rear tire. But, oh, here, let's catch up to the 2025. So, let's see what he has done to it. He has those really cool Yamaha tail light things that turn into blinkers. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but those back red things on the sides of his fairings are more brake lights, and they are also turn signals. So if he were to turn on his blinker, those things will, I think they change color, or maybe they just flash. Not sure which one they do, but either way, it's super cool, like those tail lights. Oh, thank you, buddy. Oh, all the gas. So who's the one that's burning all the extra fuel in front of me that has an exhaust but no tune? What do you guys think? Leave your vote in the comments, or in the comment section. Do you think it's the R1 that has a cat delete with no tune? Is it the Gixxer with the cat delete and no tune, or is it the S1k? Oh, you know what? It's probably Kate. Probably Kate with the Ninja 400, because most people probably put exhaust, but why would you tune a Ninja 400, honestly? So if I were to put my money on Kate and them, but we will ask them when we get to the meet. Hopefully I remember, or when we get to where we're eating, not the meet. We left the meet. So we will ask them, do you have a, I see you got an exhaust, what do you have done to your bike? So we'll ask everybody. I really want to know what Steve has done to his bike. Like I said, it's a brand new 2025 S1000 RR. Not sure if he has like an M package or what else is done or what packages are available for that bike. But either way, badass bike. But alrighty, I'm gonna quiet down for a little while since nothing going on, just lane splitting here in California. I should probably keep doing this because, you know, everybody is gonna get mad in the comment section. That's illegal, blah, 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 blah. No. This is completely legal here in California, you effing imbeciles. But yeah, no, so we're just gonna cruise, lane split a little bit, pay attention to the road, because one, it is hard to see. My visor is slightly fogging, and it's raining. Let's shake it. Shake it off! Yep. That's a movie, right? Shake it off. But yeah, we're gonna be shaking it off the whole way. Goddamn, I need to open up my visor. It's getting really foggy. But alright guys, I'm gonna pause you guys here for a little while. Listen to my music on my Cardo Pack Talk Pro and chill, hang out. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a second once we get closer to where we're going or if anything happens. Yeah, we got a sick ass CTS-V. Or not CTS, ATS-V. It's funny we see one right after us talking about Cadillacs with Kendall and whoever that other guy was. Not sure. That's a ripper right there.
My bike.
Huh?
I will get off my bike.
Oh, you make me drop my bike on yours. That's the total wrong way to lean a bike, but I was probably that close from tipping over to you. My foot slipped and I was like, no, I'm going down.
Bro, I can't see any picture.
Where you got it from? Marketplace.
I saw your bike down in San Diego.
That motherfucker crashed it.
I saw him down.
Yeah, he crashed it.
I saw him down there, and I was like, "Whose bike is this? I know I recognize it somewhere." And he was like, "Oh, you know somebody from LA?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm from LA." He was like, "Yeah, I bought it from some dude up there." I was like, "Whose fucking bike?" He was like, "Ah." Then I started thinking about it. Then I was like, "Wait, it's your fucking bike." Let's see, is your audio connected and on? Okay, yeah. Damn, I'm already down to 60%. This mic dude's dying quick. What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know either? Fuck. Like, I was like, I don't know. Look like, oh, there's a cop over there. I don't even see that guy. What, are they waiting for us to leave now? I'm like, I got a plate, so I'm legal, not the exhaust. Why is bro walking around with... Thank you. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. You actually want the R10 though? $1,000. It's not the plain carbon one though. It has the, that's why. It's not just a gloss carbon. It's the one that says Alpine Star in white. It's carbon, white, and red. Comes with the race spoiler, and I have the chrome visor for it. Because they're 1,200 new. And I said I wore it 3 times for 3 videos and hated it.
I just stopped riding with my Converse because of that. And I couldn't race it for it.
Comes with a nice carry bag. Like the painted ones I think are better. People are too drooling over that Alpine Star to let it go for less than that. Yeah, you might not be drooling over it, but 95% of people are.
I don't think we're gonna get out.
Yeah, you guys are stuck. I'm free. I can leave right now. Like I said, I'm a free man. So what is OEM carbon and what is, because...
No, it doesn't have any OEM carbon.
Is this an M package bike or no?
Yeah.
It is an M package, okay.
But it's not a carbon package.
Oh, so they have an M and a carbon. Okay.
I didn't want to get the carbon package because I don't want the carbon meal.
Gotcha. Makes sense.
That's right. Everything else.
That's the next, and then next part I want I want the full carbon belly pan for my bike next. But don't feel like dropping another 2 G's when I already dropped more than enough on all the carbon. Mm-hmm.
2 G's for the pan only?
It's a little bit less than that, but yeah.
From where?
An unnamed brand because they're not public yet. You know whose it is? Okay, yeah. It's not public, so I don't want to say. But yeah.
I might hit him up. I need some carbon. Because he told me after I ordered my carbon.
Oh, yeah. So it will be like a month, I think, left until he comes out.
Yeah. Because I need this.
Hey, did you fix your bolt?
No.
What'd you strip?
I didn't strip.
You snapped it?
Snapped inside.
That's even worse. Just tip it over to the right and let's just watch all the bikes fall.
Yeah, I ordered from I don't know, Super Sport.
What'd you order?
The exhaust.
Oh.
You know the website Super Sport? Super something?
I buy everything through Daisuke.
Mm-hmm.
Daisuke Racing? Mm-hmm.
Bro, they sent the exhaust to me in like 3 days.
You're welcome. I brushed it because that's not their normal, but because you're Dwayne's friend and he was like, hey, can you get me an exhaust quick? I was like, yeah. So they drove to their warehouse where all that stuff stored, picked it up, and then shipped it same day. Yeah. Dwayne was like, hey, can you get him exhaust quick? I was like, I called him. I was like, hey, can we get this exhaust? He's like, yeah. He was like, it's at Daisuke. He's the one where I get all my parts. Kay gets all the... They don't really use Insta.
They're based out of Vegas, huh?
Texas.
Oh, Texas.
But they might open up something here.
Oh, you guys want to go to the new Attack Racing shop open?
But they have like everything. They can get like anything.
Did they change the... I'm in there. Did they change the picture? They had a different picture?
No. I think they added the cat because that's their new logo, but no, they've always been. So it always said Daisuke Racing.
Go to this store. They just opened. Yeah, it's like Revzilla. Where is that?
What? There's a new style Revzilla?
New store like Revzilla. Where is it called?
I don't know. You're the one that said you knew. You're asking me. Gixxers look so small. Gixxers, they just look so small. Oh, really? Where?
Speed Addicts.
But where is that?
Where is it? Right here by the 55.
Fuck, the wrong way! It's cold? Actually,
It's alright. You get to record more content.
I'm actually supposed to go to the Ducati's having an event right now at 12. Where is it at?
It's right here on 55.
Oh. Oh, so it's right here. I'm thinking 55 all the way probably down here, like in Orange County.
Where's that?
It's not bad.
Huh?
Why not? Huh?
Where's that one that you're talking about right now?
At Ducati.
Where is it?
Costa Mesa.
Costa Mesa. Oh, okay.
I don't know. With this weather, I was supposed to go with K with both Aprilia, but I don't know. He's not going to ride on a slick in this weather, so we're probably not going to film now. It was enough. Like, that meet was pretty boring.
Yeah, let me see the mic.
Well, it's plugged into my mouth, so you can see it right here, kind of.
And it's Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's wireless.